If you told me that Nintendo's releasing a new classic console, and it's not a Game Boy or an N64, but rather the Virtual Boy, I'd think I'd gotten concussed. But hey, I guess both of those things can be true. In front of me is the new Virtual Boy for Nintendo Switch 2 / Nintendo Switch, as well as the cardboard model, allowing you and your closest friends, provided that they don't have pink eye and at least one of you has a Nintendo Switch Online subscription plus expansion pack membership, to experience Virtual Boy games in their full red and black glory, all for the low, low price of just $99 for the full accessory or $25 for the cardboard one. Plus, of course, the aforementioned subscription. Let's have a look at what's included with both of them. You get, of course, the Virtual Boy console itself, which is not a Virtual Boy, but rather is like a holder for your Nintendo Switch or your Nintendo Switch 2. Though, to Nintendo's credit, even if I didn't want to play Virtual Boy games, this is actually a pretty cool little collector's piece. I don't have a Virtual Boy handy, but it looks extremely true to the original hardware. That is really cool. Oh, nice. The stand. You'd hate to have to just hold this up to your eyes while you're playing games. You know, I think the ergonomics are a little bit better. Not a lot better. You can actually tell from the grease mark here, my nose totally goes straight into that hard piece of plastic right there. But this seems pretty nice. Oh, look at that. Easy peasy squeezed lemons. I get one this. Whatever this is. Oh, it's a different adapter depending on whether you use a Switch 2 or an OG Switch. Okay, I'm gonna be using a Switch 2. As for the cardboard edition, you get... Editor, please give me the Zelda treasure sound. I mean, what's Nintendo gonna do? Copyright strike a video about their product? You get... this, but cardboard. Yeah, okay, there's glass involved. I could pay $25 for this, I guess. What is there? Is there some Velcro or something? How does this fold over? Oh no, wow, oh yeah, no, you slide it in. Controls are handled using a Joy-Con or a Joy-Con 2, and no stand. You just have to hold this one? There's no strap even. Do you have to do it like this? Is this the intended use case? You guys are just smiling at me. Is this right? Am I doing it right? You hold it like, no, shut up. Hold on. No. As far as cardboard sleeves go, it feels quality. Okay, let me give it the old. This is exactly as disorientating as you might think, because I'm not in the Virtual Boy library yet. And I haven't even told you about our sponsor.
MotionGrey. If you've ever sat at your computer too long while gaming or working, only get a numb bum, maybe it's time to look for a sit-stand desk. MotionGrey makes one of the least expensive options on the market. Everything you need to set up your new desk, tools as well, come in one box. Their Ergo 2 also includes cable clips, a cup holder, and a headphone hook. Buy a MotionGrey Ergo 2 sit-to-stand desk using our link and get 15% off today.
If the game screen is difficult to see, press and hold R to adjust interpupillary distance. Oh, nice, okay, cool. It'd actually be kind of nice if they had a little cutout here for the USB-C so you could center it that way. Oh, buddy. Wow, it's pretty cool. It looks way better than the original Virtual Boy. What do we got? 7 titles, okay. Virtual Boy Wario Land, Red Alarm, Teleroboxer. It's got some Japanese game that doesn't seem to have an English title. Tetris, Galactic Pinball. They don't have the tennis game? Like the one game that everyone kind of agrees was decent? Are you for real right now, Nintendo? Okay, I guess I'm playing Teleroboxer. Oh my God, the gameplay of this is shockingly deep. Oh yeah, pow, 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 pow. Okay, Well, that boxing game kind of sucks. And so does the experience of holding this up to your face. It's kind of okay with the elbows resting on the table. The screen looks great. I mean, obviously the Switch 2 is not an OLED screen, but it's got enough contrast and it's honestly dark enough in there that it looks kind of decent. Let's see how this does in the Virtual Boy accessory. $25 plus an extra subscription. This is gonna sound crazy, but I actually see the value of this one a little more. If you are a Nintendo fanboy or collector, at least this has the additional value of looking kind of cool on your shelf while you don't play it. It doesn't have a lot of functionality that the cardboard doesn't. It's got this stand, that's something, but everything else seems to be purely cosmetic. You've got these kind of rubber bumpers, feels reasonably premium, but the IPD adjustment here does nothing. The focus adjustment does nothing. These are features of the original Virtual Boy, but are just handled in software on this Switch accessory. We just crack it open like this, and in goes the console. Oh, no charge port, you will be playing this on battery. Also, yeah, more purely cosmetic things. This volume wheel does nothing. This headphone jack does nothing. You'll be using Bluetooth headphones or yes, because your speakers are exposed down here. Brilliant. I'm a little confused because we had red lenses on this and clear lenses on this one. So is it gonna be extra red? Doesn't really seem like it. Maybe? Is it more red, like enhanced red? Oh, it is. Oh, that's funky. It's darker too. So it's a little brighter with the cardboard version that doesn't have an additional filter over top of it. Hard to say which is the definitive Virtual Boy Virtual Console experience. Also, I'm having a hard time getting my face in close enough because of this piece of plastic right here. It's quite sharp, actually. Does it know it's in here? Because the games they're all red now. What? It's in color, and then it's in here and it's red. So we just have a red filter over everything. This looks more like what I remember the Virtual Boy looking like. I would say that the clear lenses are the better experience. Let's try Galactic Pinball. Oh, this is truly ergonomically awful. If you told me that the pixel density of this was on par with the original Virtual Boy, so that, what was it, 300 something by 200 something, I would believe you. Music makes this literally unplayable because I need to dance. I gotta dance and I can't dance while looking into my Virtual Boy. I got a headache, like one of those like in here headaches, almost immediately when using the actual Virtual Boy hardware. Not so here. So there must be something about the lenses that is superior to the original Virtual Boy, which, I mean, good. I would hope so. Like, I gotta adjust my head to even see the entire game library right now. That's a pretty compelling 3D plane. Very cool. Whoa, oh dude. They've got an obstacle for Wario, like in the very first obstacle of the first level, where you're going side by side and it swings like this. And you can dodge it either way. That's pretty cool. Oh, and I got hit by it. And I'm little Wario. Can I run? Oh, dude! Okay, so I've never played this game before. So there's like a foreground 2D thing, and then you go on this like arrow thing and it launches you onto like a background 2D plane. So you can get past the lava in the background. Then you jump on it and you come back to the foreground. Damn, gameplay. Oh, and I went in the lava. You know what, that's fine, because I'm done with this. $100 is a lot to ask for something that doesn't even work unless I buy a special subscription to go with it. But for anyone who is nostalgic for the Virtual Boy or who just wants a cool piece of set deck to put in the back of their videos on YouTube or something like that, there are worse things. It's official. See it. There it is. You're welcome. Look at that. for only $100. Subscribe to Short Circuit.